Imagine torching fat in record time, boosting your metabolism, and enhancing your performance all at once. That's the power of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, for maximum fat burn. This revolutionary fitness approach combines short, intense bursts of exercise with periods of lower intensity or rest. The result? An incredibly effective fat-burning workout that keeps your metabolism elevated long after you've hit the showers. HIIT isn't just another fitness fad, it's backed by science and proven to deliver results. Whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to amp up your training or a fitness novice eager to kickstart your journey, HIIT has something for everyone. Over the course of this video, we'll be exploring 10 potent HIIT workouts that promise to redefine your fitness game. From the adrenaline-fueled sprint interval workout to the innovative 1-minute workout, each regimen packs a power punch designed to obliterate fat and supercharge your performance. So, are you ready to experience the exhilarating world of HIIT? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these 10 powerful HIIT workouts that will transform your fitness journey. First on our list is the sprint interval workout. This is not just about running fast, it's about running smart. In this high-octane workout, the aim is to push your body to its maximum capacity for 30 intense seconds. The goal here isn't to maintain a steady pace, but to sprint as fast and as hard as you can. Picture this. You're on a track, your heart is pounding, your muscles are primed. The second your feet hit the ground, you're off like a rocket, sprinting with all the power you can muster. Those 30 seconds, they will feel like the longest half-minute of your life, but then you're rewarded with a 4-minute recovery period. This is your time to catch your breath, to let your heart rate slow down, to prepare your body for the next sprint. These intervals of intense effort followed by recovery are the cornerstone of the sprint interval workout. In essence, this workout is a dance between extremes, a balance of push and pull, of exertion and recovery. It's about challenging your body, pushing your limits, and then giving yourself the chance to recuperate and do it all over again. Sprint interval. Workouts are an excellent approach to kickstart your HIIT journey. Next up is the Tabata protocol, a workout that promises maximum results in minimal time. This ingenious workout strategy is named after Dr. Izumi Tabata, who conducted a study in the late 90s that revolutionized the way we think about exercise. Here's how the Tabata protocol works. You perform an exercise at maximum effort for 20 seconds, then you take a 10-second rest. This 20-10 sequence is then repeated 8 times, comprising a total of 4 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Just 4 minutes of Tabata can get your heart racing and your muscles working like never before. It's a sprint, not a marathon, pushing your body to its absolute limit in those 20 seconds of high-intensity work. Then, in the 10-second rest period, your body gets a brief respite before you dive back into the next round of high-intensity effort. The beauty of the Tabata protocol is its versatility. You can apply it to almost any exercise, from push-ups to sprints, from burpees to kettlebell swings. The key is to give it your all during those 20 seconds of work. Tabata protocol is a fast-paced, high-intensity workout that's sure to get your heart racing. It's a testament to the power of high-intensity interval training, offering a time-efficient way to boost your cardiovascular fitness and burn fat. Meet the Little Method, a HIIT workout that proves less can indeed be more. This method, named after its creator, Dr. Jonathan Little, is a unique approach to high-intensity interval training. The structure is simple yet demanding. 60 seconds of high-intensity exercise pushing your body to its limit, followed by a 75-second rest period to recover and prepare for the next round. This cycle is repeated 8 to 12 times, depending on your fitness level and goals. The beauty of the Little Method lies in its versatility. You can apply it to any form of exercise, be it cycling, sprinting, or even weightlifting. It's all about pushing your body to the brink and then letting it recover over and over again. This method not only increases your endurance but also triggers a process called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. This is what makes your body continue to burn calories long after you've finished your workout. The Little Method is a fantastic way to build endurance and burn fat. So the next time you're looking to shake up your fitness routine, why not give it a go? Now let's dive into turbulence training, a HIIT workout that combines strength training and cardio. This workout method is all about creating a storm of activity within your body. It is a unique blend of strength exercises mixed in with non-competing supersets and interval training. First, you start with strength exercises. These are designed to challenge your muscles, to push them beyond what they're used to. The key is to focus on compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups at once, maximizing your muscle-building potential. Then, we move on to non-competing supersets. This is where you perform 2 exercises back-to-back with no rest in between. However, the trick is that these exercises work different muscle groups. This allows one set of muscles to recover while the other set is being worked, increasing your efficiency and intensity. Finally, we wrap up with interval training. This is where you work at maximum effort for a short period of time, followed by a brief rest, and then repeat. This boosts your heart rate and keeps it there, increasing your cardiovascular fitness and burning fat at a rapid rate. Turbulence training is a perfect blend of strength and cardio for a comprehensive workout. Fartlek training, despite its amusing name, is a serious HIIT workout that combines continuous and interval training. Originating from Sweden, fartlek literally translates to speed play, and that's exactly what this workout is all about. It's a playful mix of varying speeds and intensities, all within a single training session. You start with a warm-up, followed by periods of hard effort interspersed with easier recovery intervals. The beauty of fartlek training lies in its flexibility. There's no set rule as to how fast or slow you should go or for how long. It's all about listening to your body and pushing yourself based on how you feel in the moment. This workout is excellent for improving both speed and endurance. And because it involves varying intensity levels throughout a continuous workout, it keeps your body guessing. This unpredictability helps to avoid plateauing, making fartlek training a fantastic option for those looking to keep their workouts fresh and challenging. Fartlek training is a flexible yet challenging workout that keeps your body guessing. Next, we have the Galore method, a HIIT workout that's all about balancing effort and recovery. Named after its creator, Professor Martin Galore, this workout is designed to give you the best of both worlds. It's a perfect blend of high-intensity bursts of effort and equally important recovery periods. The structure of the Galore method is simple, yet effective. It involves 60 seconds of hard work where you push your body to its limits. This is followed by 60 seconds of recovery where you allow your body to catch its breath and prepare for the next round. This cycle is repeated 10 times, making for a total of 20 minutes of intense, fat-burning exercise. The beauty of the Galore method lies in its balance. It pushes you hard, but also gives you time to recover. This way, you're not just improving your fitness and burning fat, but also building endurance and resilience. So if you're looking for a HIIT workout that's challenging but also sustainable, give the Galore method a try. It's a balanced HIIT workout that pushes your limits but also respects your body's need for recovery. The Galore method is a balanced HIIT workout that pushes your limits. The Zuniga method takes HIIT to another level with its focus on short, intense bursts of exercise. This method is all about pushing your limits and testing your boundaries. It's a simple yet challenging structure. 30 seconds of maximum effort followed by 30 seconds of recovery. But here's the catch. This cycle is repeated 10 times. Imagine this. You're giving it your all for half a minute, your heart is pounding, your muscles are screaming, and just when you think you can't go on, you get a break. But 30 seconds later, you're back at it again, pushing, striving, reaching for your maximum potential. This cycle of exertion and recovery not only challenges your physical stamina, but also your mental resolve. Remember, the idea behind the Zuniga method is not just about getting through the rounds, but about giving your maximum effort in each and every one of those 30-second bursts. It's about pushing your limits, breaking your barriers, and realizing that you are capable of more than you think. The Zuniga method is a test of your maximum effort and endurance. The 1-minute workout is a high-intensity interval training routine that shows you can achieve a lot in just 60 seconds. This innovative workout is designed to push you to your limits and back in the blink of an eye. The structure of this workout is simple, yet incredibly effective. It's all about 3 20-second sprints, each followed by 2 minutes of recovery. Imagine, if you will, the intensity of a lion chasing its prey, the adrenaline pumping through your veins, the exhilaration of pushing your body to the limit. That's what each sprint is like. And then, just when you think you can't go on, you get 2 minutes to catch your breath, to recover, and to prepare for the next burst of intensity. This isn't just a workout, it's a test of your mental and physical strength. It's a challenge to see just how much you can accomplish in a single minute. And the beauty of it? It's all wrapped up in a neat 10-minute package, making it perfect for those days when you're pressed for time but still want to get in a solid workout. The 1-minute workout is proof that every second counts in your fitness journey. Finally, we introduced the October 20th 30 method, a high-intensity interval training routine that's as simple as counting. This workout is a game changer, and here's why. The October 20th 30 method is a unique approach to interval training that is designed to optimize your body's fat-burning potential in a very short span of time. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. It involves 3 distinct stages: 10 seconds of low intensity, 20 seconds of moderate intensity, and 30 seconds of high intensity. This pattern is repeated for 5 minutes, followed by a 2-minute rest. And voila, that's your October 20th 30 workout. The first stage, the 10-second low-intensity phase, is essentially a warm-up. During this phase, you prepare your body for the workout ahead, gradually increasing your heart rate and loosening up your muscles. Next up, we have the 20-second moderate intensity phase. This isn't a leisurely stroll in the park, but it's not an all-out sprint either. You should be working hard, but not so hard that you can't sustain the effort for the full 20 seconds. Now, we move into the 30-second high-intensity phase. This is where the magic happens. You'll be pushing your body to its limits, going all out, giving it everything you've got. This high-intensity phase is designed to get your heart rate soaring and your muscles working overtime, maximizing calorie burn and fat loss. The brilliance of the October 20th 30 method lies in its versatility. It can be applied to virtually any form of exercise, be it running, biking, rowing, or even strength training. This means that no matter what type of exercise you prefer, you can reap the benefits of this powerful HIIT routine. The October 20th 30 method is a simple yet effective, high-intensity, interval training workout that anyone can try. It's a perfect blend of low, moderate, and high intensity that keeps your body guessing and your metabolism firing on all cylinders. So why not give it a shot? Your body will thank you. We've explored the power of high-intensity interval training and the top 10 HIIT workouts for maximum fat burn, from the sprint interval workouts' speed and intensity to the Tabata protocol's 4-minute fat-burning furnace. We dove into the little method's science-backed effectiveness and experienced the turbulence of turbulence training. We sprinted through fartlek training, got rigorous with the Jabala method, and zeroed in on the Zuniga method. We even squeezed in a workout in just 1 minute and rounded it all off with the diverse stages of the October 20th 30 method. Each of these workouts harnesses the power of HIIT, offering you a fast and efficient way to burn fat and enhance your performance. So, what's stopping you? It's time to get your heart racing, your muscles pumping, and those calories burning. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Here's to your health and fitness journey. Keep pushing, keep sweating, and keep burning that fat!